Glamour Chapter welcomes you to another new video. Hey there, makeup enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of natural-looking glossy makeup. If you want to achieve that dewy, fresh-faced glow, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into our 6 tips for getting that perfect natural glossy makeup look. Tip 1. Hydrated skin. The key to natural-looking glossy makeup starts with hydrated skin. Make sure to moisturize your face thoroughly before applying any makeup. This will create a smooth canvas and prevent your skin from looking dry or dull. Remember, hydrated skin is the foundation of a natural glow. Tip 2. Lightweight foundation. When it comes to achieving a natural glossy look, opt for a lightweight foundation or a tinted moisturizer. You want something that evens out your skin tone without masking your natural complexion. Apply it sparingly, focusing on areas that need coverage, and blend it out for a seamless finish. Tip 3. Cream products. To create that dewy, glossy effect, reach for cream-based products instead of powders. Cream blushes, highlighters, and eyeshadows work wonders in giving your skin a natural, lit-from-within glow. They blend effortlessly and melt into the skin, creating a radiant and fresh appearance. Tip 4. Subtle highlighting. Highlighting is key to achieving a natural glow, but keep it subtle for a glossy finish. Choose a highlighter shade that complements your skin tone and apply it strategically. Focus on the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, brow bone, and down the bridge of your nose. Remember, we're aiming for a soft, natural radiance. Tip 5. Glossy lips. For a natural glossy makeup look, embrace the power of glossy lips. Opt for lip glosses with sheer or tinted formulas. They add a touch of shine and hydration, making your lips look plump and healthy. Choose shades that enhance your natural lip color, or go for clear gloss for a more versatile option. Tip 6. Set with setting spray. To ensure your natural glossy makeup stays in place all day, don't forget to set it with a setting spray. Look for a lightweight, dewy finish setting spray that will lock in your makeup while enhancing that natural glow. Just a few spritzes, and you're good to go. And there you have it, 6 tips for achieving a natural-looking glossy makeup look. Embrace hydration, opt for lightweight formulas, embrace cream products, highlight subtly, add gloss to your lips, and set it all in place. With these tips, you'll achieve that radiant, fresh-faced glow effortlessly. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty inspiration. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update from us.